I just want to show you real quick how you can get free credit on Google Ads if you're just starting out on the platform. So if you just go to ads.google.com, you're going to see a website. It's basically the Google Ads website. And right now, this may change in the future, so by the time you're watching this, things may have switched around a bit, but we can see at the very top, they're saying, choose your offer and get up to $1,500 in ads credit. And then it's saying a new advertiser question mark. Choose between 3 attractive offers based on your budget to jumpstart your first campaign. If you click this button, choose now, drops us down here where it's going to give us 3 options. So we can do $500, $1,000, or $1,500. Now what's important to know is that this is it's for new advertisers. So if you've already been advertising on Google Ads, I would not mess around with this. It's basically for like a brand new Google Ads account. So if you're just starting your company, you've never advertised on Google Ads before, you're going to be safe to, go ahead and use this to get some free credit. So basically for this one, if you spend $500 on ads, Google's going to give you $500 in free ad spend for the clicks on your ads so that you can get more traffic and see some results right away. The idea being that once you've seen results, you're going to stick around and keep paying them thousands of dollars over the years, right? Or hundreds of thousands, depending on your situation. Same thing goes with this one. So if you spend $1,500, they're going to give you $1,500. Oh, excuse me. If you spend $3,000, they're going to give you $1,500. With this one, if you spend $1,500, they're going to give you $1,000. However, with all of these, it has to occur within 60 days. So that's this first 60 days to unlock the credit. So this trips a lot of people up. They'll claim this ad credit, takes them 2 months to get their ads launched, and by that point, the credit has expired. Or it takes them 3 months to spend the $3,000. And so by the time they've spent $3,000, this credit is worthless. So if you're going to use this, I would recommend creating everything offline first. So create your ad copy, figure out what keywords you're going to be targeting. I have videos on my channel you can look up to see how to do all that type of stuff if you want. But once you're ready to go, then choose whichever one you want to choose here, right? Click claim now. You're going to go through and set up your whole Google Ads account and then start setting up your campaigns, launch them right away. Once your ads start running, if you come over to your Google Ads account and go to billing, and then in this second column here, go to promotions, you're going to see your ad credit showing up here. So this one, we were using the $500 ad credit when spending $500 on the platform. And so it granted us the $500. It says it's active. You can see the date when it was redeemed and when we qualified. So it took us about a month to spend that first $500. And then the expiration date was January 31st. So once we qualified, so that's, spending that first $500, then it's given us 60 days to utilize the free $500 ad credit. And then you will see that we have used 100% of that ad credit. So basically we utilized that free $500 in ad spend. We were able to claim all of that free credit and run some ads for free to get some business coming in. And that kind of helps, get you some initial results and hopefully some revenue coming in so that you can spend more on their platform. That's also kind of the idea behind all of this. So just pay close attention to, when you redeem it, how long it takes you to qualify, and then how much time you have to finish that spend, so that you're not, getting 50% through before the expiration date comes, right? And the other really big thing to keep in mind is that this is for new advertisers only, right? It's actually, it's saying it's ready to be claimed. So if you come to this terms and conditions, you can analyze the whole breakdown in more depth. But the biggest thing to keep in mind is that you want to make sure that this is your first time advertising on the platform. If you have a business, you've run ads in the past, you go set up a new Google Ads account and try to claim this, you could get your account suspended for circumventing their systems. And that's what they consider to be an egregious violation of policy. And there's a very small chance that you're ever going to get your ads account reinstated or that you're ever going to be able to advertise on the platform ever again. So don't mess around with this. They take it very seriously. They don't want to be giving out free credits when it's not, in alignment with their policies. So if you mess around and try to use 2 credits for the same business, it's not going to work out very well. And Google Ads systems are pretty intelligent, so they can tell, even if you use a different IP address and different email, but have the same billing address for your credit cards, they're gonna recognize that. And if you're advertising for like similar audiences and stuff, they're gonna know, and they're gonna shut you down. So, word to the wise: just make sure to follow their policies as strictly as you can. Basically follow them to a T so that you don't risk getting your account suspended. You'll be able to see the terms and conditions here as well. So that's basically it. I hope this was helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of their ad credits and how to utilize them on Google Ads, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.